It's okay. Let me start first, then I will get back to you. Yamana sana mancho muligere yabeta seni Ndizi TV. Alere mambia rero ntobwato mugeni ase studio. Arachenga tobwato mogoko kigima kurinde na buturabe togwonchereria chiluga. Kuri no mancho muligere ngo kwaliga ni bene. Elinde tabeto sanga asobwa mo ikegero ngo meteri tukirigeria Jumanne nigo togokwanera mangana arengete obochenu kurinde asensemo yeto mancho muligere ni otorabe to kumurikira igoro yamagoko nchira kichiga obwenete kulinda obochenu asenseri yamabokabo omanchi muri togokwariga ni bene elinde tobeto sanga so wa munyera nabakandi gotobwate sense mo chichi mitandao asense mo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, a website www.ndizitv.net. Bego nabwo sanga na inte kerenga likiago wetrasi namba yesime ya 0792192834. Tangireli bageli galia bene kumwaliga ni ase studio atumanye na kiako kwa. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Hi, thank
You're happy today?
Yes,
Oh, it's your nature. Okay, I wish to welcome you this morning to our studio so that you can share with our viewers. Kindly you can introduce yourself.
Yes, okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, asante. My name is AOMI SAKURADA. I came from Japan, and I'm a university student in Japan. And next year in March, I will graduate the university. In April, I will start the company, hygiene company I entered.
Okay, welcome to Kenya, welcome to Gusii land.
Thank you.
How do you feel being in Kisii?
Yeah, it's very nice. It's a nice city, and everyone's very friendly.
Okay. You want to continue living in Kisii?
Yeah.
Okay, this is Ndizi TV. It is well known for matoke, bananas. I guess at the end of this show, they will be giving you some matokes. Then you take back to Japan. Okay, today actually we want to share with our viewers. We want to know, actually you came to Kenya. You haven't told us where currently are you situated? Yeah. Where are you working currently?
In the Mount Olives in Mosocho.
Mosocho.
Yes.
You have known Mosocho. Okay, it's good. It's a pleasure to meet you this morning. And I think our viewers will get much information about our hygiene. So kindly you can tell us what are the services that are being offered at Mount Olives Hospital. You know, very people love being at Mount Hospital. You can tell them which services when they get there they can get. Okay.
In the Mount Olives, we have about 8 services. One is free blood pressure checkup. 2 is free due limin. And 3, free weighing. And 4, inpatients and outpatient services. 5 is laboratory services. 6 is home-based case for elderly people. And 7 is family planning. And 8, last one is special clinics for diabetes and hypertension. This is the service offered in Mount Olives.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for elaborating on the services that are being offered at Mount Olives. So today we want to look at hand hygiene. Maybe you can explain to our viewers what is hand hygiene. Okay.
So at first, I'm going to talk about definition. Hand washing. Because hand hygiene is reducing or inhibiting the growth of microorganisms by the application of an antiseptic hand wrap or an antiseptic hand wash. It's very important.
Okay. You will allow me to engage my viewers in my local dialect so that they can understand what we are talking about this morning. Okay, moncho murigereria ritkurerero nigo tukurigereria obochenu ase amabokaito. Antobwato mugeni ase studio all the way from Japan. Oyora bekago tumanya nga kitobwenete kurinda obochenu ase amabokaito. Ningi kitobwenete nga kitobwenete gwisa gwesaba meto mwancho murigereria nga abange baitonto manyetinga kitogosibia amagoka ito igo ngorenda torobo cheno asensemeri amagoka atomanyinga nchera kichiga turabe togwesaba nabo igo onye togochukobwatia obocheno asamagokago mwancho murigereria amaroiri kiali orabe gokonyora igo mambia bona igana botogosanganere oranga nchere totumike chiruge chibere ekegerere ngotumika rumono libe Kenya murire gakweresera sobwagari na nchenere na sensemeri Gusii erindembe ngokoeresera asobimigo onye kobwate ibolirindiriya nsi mwancho murigereria nabo gosanga ase obwamo ase emambia yabonega. You have already explained on hand hygiene. I want us to look at the types of hand hygiene.
Yes. Hand hygiene, we have 3 types about. One is social hand hygiene. It's a daily for normal people. We use hand washing. And the second one is antiseptic hand hygiene. It's for in hospital. And last one is surgical hand hygiene. It's very professional.
You can explain further how it is professional hand hygiene is meant, or the one that in hospital, because our viewers usually use the normal one. They show your hand hygiene. Okay.
Yes. The normal one?
Yeah.
Okay, wait a minute. Sorry.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay, you can continue looking at it as I engage my viewers. So mwanchumuri mnatobel tokorigeria bonto bwate chinjera isato chogoikerania obo cheno nene kiraberega kweresera nga ntobwate ensemeri ya kawaida mwanchumurigeria erutini eri yakirarituko obwenerete wesaba oberega kweresera nga enchiranero robwenete wesaba asekirarituko korendera ndebo igonto bwate chinjera chiria sensemeri yenyagitali mwancho murigereria nabaigo ntubwate asensemeri nde akyo bwendereta gwesaba amagokago metasenye gitali nchiranero ro oko somigwa ngakyo bwenete gwa apply sabuniga ali kurende ntuchikoba tokurigereria ase oboime. Anyway, you can tell us why should we maintain hand hygiene? Why hand washing?
Why hand hygiene? Okay. Why hand hygiene is 3 reasons. For one is keep one's health. And the second one is prevent hospital conditions. And the last one is prevents infections. Yes.
Okay, what are some infections that one can contact if he or she does not consider hand washing or proper hygiene?
Yeah, we have so many the diseases if you don't wash your hands. The dysentery, moeba, cholera, eye infections, skin problems like ringworms, typhoid, diarrhea diseases like this. There are so many problems if you don't wash your hands.
If you don't wash your hands properly.
Yeah.
Okay, mbiyobora sana mwancho murigereria ndochenga akare gutoire mbere kuri na togatema kumwikira igoro iyo gwesaba amagokaito ntwaba togo kwanera achinchira isato tobwenete gwesaba amagoko nabo gutumika esabuni na yagora mwancho murigereria nabo igasensemeri yago amache nabo nabo gutumika asensemeri Hayechi wipes ndobate hand wipes ndobate chi agent echibonete gutumika asokwenekya nga ngosibyole amagokago uboronge kondo manchimurire berega kweresera nga obuyamborororo ekero okusibya amagokago anachikoba kago tweresera nga nchira kichiri tobonete osichinsairinga tobonete kuira asokwenekya nga ngwesaba tole amagoko aitokurende manchimurire kerenge kenene kyo gwesaba okoboko kwago neri gwetanga kurwa ase okonyora amaroire obereka gukwanera amaroire ali omuntarabe gakonyora achinga ki atabwateti obochenu ase ensemeri yo gwesaba usase obochenu ase ensemeri yamagoko nabokonyora oborire bwa cholera nabokonyora oborire bwa amoeba nabokonyora naboigo chi infection chinyenge chigocha kubwatikana no gotabwatia obochenu asensemeri yamagoko igo manchumulie na nabo gusangana intwe otumanyenga chera kichiri o koligereria gusinga mbochenu ngubwati orobochenu asensemo ya gukorende anyogotete kuimanya amango nyokobwate ibolinde lyensi mwanchumuligereria nabo gusangana intwe emambia ya bono iga elinde obe kogotoeresera ase obwagale korinde mwanchumuligereria nindo chenga ambia mono sana asmogendete kubwatia omorobili bensaki abono mambika tokende gusanga ase enseme yiga tokende gukwanera igoro yokumurikira obochenu asensemeri ya magoko ketogende gusanganere SAKURADA ase AOMI oyure omonya gitana tengani garo umorkia asensemeri yobonya gitali sensemeri ya Japan kolindo berika gukira na sense ya Kenya anena sinya gitarire ya Mount Olives musocho chingaki agende tegosto semia amange kolindo manchumuri letana ndengire na sense moya ebekago toeresera ase obwagare. What are the key points of hand hygiene?
Sorry?
The key points of hand hygiene.
Key soft.
Yeah.
The number one? The number one is to remove dirt and organic material and dead skin and most transient organisms. On visibly clean hands, it can be undertaken using an alcohol hand rub, and this will remove transient organisms.
Okay, thank you so much for explaining. I want us to go for a short break and then we'll come back and explore more. Meona sana mwanchumuligeria tangu turasiumia sechiduka ke igoto kuirana ntobe tugosanga amange.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii Butambe kurumu cy'ubusongo edukane yemuyuka ekoni ibintu by'ugutumika nyumba ibyukoni asiduka ukwagacira iby'uburimi n'ibindi binge imena isiko yorogonkorwa Gusii Owuru Superstores Limited bunabono koni abarinkira ya wholesale bune sukari umuchere amaguta y'ikinyini ecumbi amabere chidaipa esabuni n'ibindi binge koni abari cyituma cy'ukwagacira amabati imisumari chisimiti chirangi chisengenge chiwilbaro n'ibindi binge nigo bagukubugurira umusigo ekero kwagurire goikabuo asegeka gikinse 24 beka eoda yao ku Rwanda osiasure ensiweta usobatarire imeyo mu cy'ubusungo asamagacho AJM Towers Building angena Credit Bank gose Uhuru Complex Building angena Safaricom Customer Care Kisii usuba kirisimi asikinambechi Uhuru Superstores Limited, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices or your money back.
I saw more Ken Uhuru Superstores on your levy.
Ine ayeno mu Kenya utagite gutara gosoma gosigo kore mirimo chinse chesiko buna Canada, USA, Australia, New Zealand, France, UK, Germany, Saudi Arabia, Oman gatiye chinse chinde chinyinge bono Proper Education Link Limited na riori chiburiao.
Tunashughulika na issue ya moja ni visa ya kutembea. Kama mtu unahitaji kwenda kutembea nchi za nje, kwa mfano Canada, US, tutakusaidia kuapply visa yako na uweze kupata kwa wakati inaofaa. Ya pili, kama mtu unataka kuenda kufanya kazi sehemu za nje, kwa mfano unataka kwenda kufanya kazi Dubai, Qatar, tutakusaidia kwenye kuapply visa yako na uweze kufanikiwa kwa hilo. Ya tatu, ukihitaji kwenda kusoma first thing ni ya kwamba lazima uwe na visa, study visa. Hiyo study visa tutakusaidia kuapply hiyo study visa ili uweze kupata visa yako kwa wakati.
Nigo tokorwa obukoreri buna visa application, education consultancy, immigration assistance, career guidance, pre-departure information.
Umekaribisha kwa ofisi yetu ambapo tunapatikana Kisii Town in Twin Towers 50 floor building room 507. Na ukiwa Nairobi unatupata maeneo ya Tumaini House opposite Kencom 50 floor room 5G.
Asamange twakire simi ase namba enoti isano na ibire inya isano enoti isato eye moinye isano nemo isano na ibire gose oturikiriri uko ase email yaito ya info@properedulink.com.
Welcome to Proper Education Link.
Spexels Opticians abo barase kliniki kya gudika imeyomo chokisi ngoro bare obokoreri au burengeta maiso nigo bakonia ebirore na korenga maiso wetera chi machine chekerero chubumanyi bweigoro bono nkwanchira bareti insurance kobwatia AAR GA Insurance area ya Liason Eagle Africa Kenyan Alliance Pioneer Insurance Lucent Health Amoneria ya Star Discovery.
Karibuni Spexels Opticians Good Clinic Kisii Town. Hii ndio kliniki bora ya macho pekee yenye mashini za kisasa na za uwezo wa hali ya juu. Tuko na madaktari professional kabisa kama Daktari Sigei na tunafanya free eye test.
Mimi ndiye Daktari Sigei. Hapa kwetu Spexels Opticians tunazo frames na lenses mbalimbali. Lenses ambazo zinasaidia katika kutatua shida mbalimbali za macho kama vile kutoona mbali, kutosoma maandishi za karibu na hata kupunguza mwangaza.
Asomo chokisi nigo bagotoka angene dukene ne obonchoreria ya Shivling Supermarket na boigo ebenki ya KCB. Mabwate boigo eduka imeyo mocho Nairobi asamagacho Balfour House, Kimathi Street, Barabare na Java House. Asamanke onyeko ganetie konyora obokoreri asomo chokisi bakire simi wetrase namba 0110505501. Noria otageto obokoreri meyo mocho Nairobi na boko bakire simi ase namba 0110001333. Spexels Opticians, macho bora kwa wote.
Ayumure migiata kurworo gonkorwo Gusii nikisemo chiyetanaine wono na nkakiende yonsi tarira eduka ya Enokem Agrovet Limited nichisagia chaye bwinyorera mariogo yuguciarire bimeri mugondo amoyo chimbusuro endagira yetugo embego yetugo amariogo yugo itekenyambi mugondo chi supplement chetugo ebichuchu byogotuga na yandamange na obare imiyumu chobusongo ansamangacho Akenyoro Farmers Cooperative Plaza Angena Market Plaza Oro Sagironde Nigurule opposite Shell Petrol Station formerly Falcon Petrol Station Nabuigo Oro Sagironde Nigurule Nsemo ya Jogo Angene Skuru Yobroso ya Jogo Primary Nabuigo Okoba Kirisimi Ilikuma Nyamange Enokem Agrovet Limited Growing Healthier Future One Harvest at a Time.
Ne ano mwana bw'ekyanga kya mitumba kira ky'abaana amu n'abantu tabanere na nigo tagitego kinyorageka kyange bono Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells nigo akorobeire sabari entambe asago kireteire gisieri na munwa
no Mama Tefi Mitumba egotogotoka se Imperial Building igero opposite St Jude na ende RB and Family Bank. Mama Tefi ntubwate bintu mbalimbali bya mitumba buna bono chianga chi abana ntubwate chi household ntubwate chi wood ntubwate chi jacket ntubwate towels. We have all types of products chi mitumba baka ntubwate bikoro tobone gantu introduce chi bikoro to na some slippers crocs igo toko barangeli munyara ko mogocha se Mama Tefi Mitumba munyara ko mo kwenyorera emisigo ya Canada grade 1. Kero wachire Mama Tefi Mitumba ntubwate obosemia ntonetia baligereri bali siko bali batete gochaka biashara bachicha se Mama Tefi Mitumba elinde banyare ko bakonyora oboseminga naki bawanete bachake ebiashara bia mitumba inki batakire bakore kobwate chiri busta na 500 ase Mama Tiffy mitumba kwanyorire kero tokere number 1 lindo nyare ko bagokwenda na karoki kenyare ko bagego gokonya
atarere imeyo mucho musongo ase nyumbiri ya Imperial eyo chirigeraneti amune nyumba ya St Jude ground floor room number 1 na number 2 akesimina kubeka eoda ya olero Mama Tiffy mitumba bells
abiro kama Mama Tiffy mitumba bells ayudo bag maber at a low price bada wewe welcome
Uchakia gusekugenderea obonchore bwa mitumba inchumwa Mama Tiffy mitumba bells
Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi.
Okay, biyakirimo manche murigerera ndengo kwarigania sentunda ya mwaelio chinga kitagenda gusanga meyo morobeli bwensaki abono mambya asitogenda gusanga no mugeni tase studio yogenda gutumanya igoro yobo cheno asensemeli ya mabakombye muno sana so mugenda kubwatia morobeli bwensaki abono mambya nene kerondo chinga Rafael very love atabanga korwa Kisii bonchari bogitanyangira mark me present amakwane guchase Mama Mary buchere mutyo na my sister Melvin and Evelyn eriko soro korwa Keumburi taro atabani kondani Henry Ochoki daktari korwa Itibo City Kisii County niko ndani tuned in Bismarck Mukwai protector senior delegate atabanga korwa Kisii Getembe Nubia niko ndani na my beloved wife Sharon my son Eugene and my daddy Ateka I'm watching live Ocharo William, good morning, watching in from Sensi Kisii. Peter Orinata, good morning, watching live from Iyave, Nikondani mpaka mwisho. Mboli ya Mosensima, watching live from Ogembo New Stage. Good morning all Ndizi TV fans. Mwalimu Elijah Ochengi, akatabanga count me present. Na walimu wote wa St. Catherine Academy Kiogenya kwetu kondani kama kawa. Na watakia asubuhi njema, mashabiki wote wa Ndizi TV. Umusori w'Egesusu aka Kerandi Dennis watabakorwa Nakuru City Salams Club goikaga Chuba Seito watching live omwaka Matembe Chege Sora Ben watching live from Getare County Leader Muse ata good morning watching live from Engina Teresa Umbogo ata good morning watching live from Riyadh City Ekiongozi Stefania Onserio watching live from Riana Bonchari mbyamona sana hase bari mwabeire mukolika ujumbe chino nabo igo ogosanga na intwe asomorobeli bwensakya obono mambi back to you. Are you excited?
Yes.
You feel good to be in this studio? Yeah, sure. So let's continue with our conversation this morning. We were looking at hand hygiene, and you explained what is hand hygiene, the types of hand hygiene, why hand washing. Now we want to look at the techniques used in hand washing.
Yes, technique.
Okay.
Okay. We have 8 steps, maybe. First, we need with hand with water. And 2 step is add the soap here. And the third step is palm to palm, like this. And next is back of hand, here. Here. And when we hear like this, we need to between the finger, like this.
Okay.
And also with nails to wash here, like this. Also, thumb we wash. After we wrist we wash.
Okay.
And we need at least 50 seconds to wash our hands.
50 seconds?
Yes, at least.
These are too many.
Most people are doing maybe 5
like
seconds.
many people just pour, you said first we pour water and then we add soap. But in most cases you find that people add first the soap, then they rinse it with water, just like that. You can repeat that process so that you can get it clearly, step by step.
Yes.
Okay. You can repeat it again.
First, wet hand with water, and add the soap here. Wash palm to palm, and back of the hand and between the finger, like this, right side, left side, and the nails, we wash like this, and the thumb, we wash, and wrist, the last one.
Okay, so let me explain to them one by one. I will use my local dialect. If I get it wrong, you will correct me. So you will be seeing how I use my hands to do it. Ono mancho morigereria obere kago tebanga ekero wesaba mago kago ritangani ni gokumurira mache ngentege tangani kwarabika mache komanya kolete sabuni waka asoko boko kwago bona somo chakano ni go guchaka gusibikoro ugayiga isiko mancho morigereria mete ngayo botambo kumura mache igor kwagenda akero gwasibiriko rusiko ugayiga wachaga iga korwa asa mago koigoro ugayigo mancho muri bunoro chengo kora korwa sisiko ugayiga igoro ugayiga wesa bororo kwamanya gosoa ase biara biago gatiga iga mete gatiga iga ngo chitole twareba gusibyo mancho morigereria wasibi naro gaiga ensemende ebichara byabo ega se bicharo meto bo chabumbororo bo chibwacho kanaro no bwendete kwara sigiki ororo mancho morigereria kwamanya kubwata ko umurira machago wasibi bakagaiga bantu mbaroro batabwene batari gosibiga iga ngatenga echona chichi technique cyo gosibia okoboko bade ko irachinsa chinyinge gosibia ka nimetenga naroro kwenda ulige beseni amachara mange imiga otobeka ime osogyo koko kwaigo tabirto gosemigwa emambia bonaiga nga kitobwenete gosibia amagoka item. Back to you, there are golden rules of hand hygiene. You can also highlight them as we explain to the viewers. The rules, golden rules of hand hygiene. Okay.
We have 6 golden rules for hand hygiene. One is wash your hands often. Second, avoid touching your face with unwashed hands. Third is cough or sneeze into a handkerchief or your elbow, like this.
Okay, not like this.
Not like, yeah, guard is like, it's not good.
So I use this one?
Yes.
Okay.
And the fourth is wait your distance. 5 is stay home if you are sick. And 6, stay safely.
Okay, thank you for highlighting those golden rules. So manchumuri abna ko igure ayona machiko yoko enekia obo chenu. Ke wana wegentekene na bwatriga manchumuri gire nekero gwasimura. Watubeko ko kwa watubeke andika chifi yago chinga kechiria ogwasimura. Igo andonya ko korwale to manchumuri gire gwa keep distance wose gwabera galinka ilinde twambukeria abandu metengo nyarole ngachinga kinchiro robwate mebiri kuba aboigo obereka gotokwanira ntoba tugukuna obusibwaito kera magoko totaraba togwesaba. There are people who touch their faces where they have not washed their hands or they have not cleaned their hands. Maybe what are the effects that can get into their face? If you touch your face, you haven't cleaned your hands, what are the impacts to your body?
What? Sorry?
If someone okay, if someone has not cleaned his or her hands and then continue, you have told us that we should not touch our faces before cleaning our hands. Maybe what is the effect to the skin? Okay.
We have some like cholera that happens for this is a skin diseases like eye. What does it say? Maybe eye problems or like problems are happens to our body, also another body is in here.
Okay, thank you for highlighting that one. Manchumuri area over the Kauta Tebianga on your toko bako wesaba amagoka gobia amaruire naro rora bego konyoramo, especially Kerokuno Sibuago or Taisa Beti or Koboko. Maybe another thing we should look at as we wind up, what are the 5 points of hygiene? I think we looked at that. The points of hygiene.
Hand hygiene, yes.
Mhm.
5 points hand hygiene
Mhm.
equal when you wash your hands. For we have 5 points. So one
Yeah.
is before and
Mhm.
after touching the patients. Second one is before a procedure. Third one is after the procedure. Fourth is before meals. And last one is after visiting the toilet.
Okay, mwanchumuliria ebine bintu bitano tubwinete kurigereria kero tokwenekia obochenu ubwamba goko anene gale sinye gitari utara handle umurwaire gali no bwinete kwaraba ko wesaba amogoko no nayo gwenda uchikurigereria umurwaire gali kwaretera gali ngaitenga samatuka mangi kero kurigereria chinga kichiri cyakoro no mwanchumuliria nyara kwaringe nga match ne sabuni ni gabikira se chinsemo igo enekinaye nga nkone kiro bocheno bantu mbaroro bakogenda kibara konyaranga kero bakuri chishuguli cyabo gali no gosoka guka igo enekenga ngwesabwero koboko kuwo nande magego tararagira kwanika nga ngwesabwero koboko kero gwakoje kuragira ande kwanika ngwesaba kwabo tichinjira kiri mwanchu muligereria twaligereria talinga kwenda gwatobeka machime enekenga ngwesaba ole okoboko kwawo. Maybe you can tell us how do you compare this environment in terms of health in Kenya compared to Japan? How do you see it?
The most is maybe through the garbage. Before in Japan we have a trash can in the road, so we have a safety and environment protect. But in Kenya, some people throw away like snacks, garbage, like that. It's very not hygiene.
Okay. That is in Kenya. I think if you are being found or if you are being caught in Japan throwing that garbage on the roads, what will happen?
Because there are some violences happens and also some kids are touch them. It's very not good. Also touch the food. We put something. It's dangerous because I have some violence.
Okay. What do you encourage Kenyans more so in throwing garbages by the roadside?
Maybe snacks and also pet bottles.
They should stop that habit.
Yes.
It is wanting. Okay, wajobarigeri aberika kumurikiraga wasensemo hanene kera chinsema aberika botarira chinsemo giga sense ya Kenya maybe asorgongoro abusi ase konyoranga egoto ekorutu ase chipara kumurikira kero kolengani nsemeri ya Japan ngabarawo obochenu eba maintenance ekerengo keigori gumanchumulie na ekero gutara separa nere bya kwabago kumurikira kera kwalire snack yago kero kwalire ndyago tonya kuruta ebinte byo ase para. I want you to encourage, there may be some students here in Kenya who want to pursue a medicine course in Japan. What can you encourage them to do?
Because actually I choose international politics in my college.
Okay. Okay, do you encourage them to go and study maybe abroad?
Yes, I have. We have.
Do you encourage also students from Japan to come to Kenya?
Yes, we have. A few people, maybe some people, almost people go to the Europe, Asian countries, America, Africa is limited.
Okay. Okay. What's the most thing that you have enjoyed being in Kenya?
Because last year I went to Tanzania to teaching English for kids. But I noticed that before teaching English, it is important to teach the hygiene environment. So I choose the Kenya because it's near from Tanzania. And that's why.
Okay. I think you have interacted with some patients at Mount Olives. Do you find any challenge interacting with them?
Yes.
Which challenge? Which challenge have you faced?
Like writing the carte.
Okay.
Also check the pressure, oxygen. Yes, like that.
Okay. I want you to encourage the viewers to come to Mount Olives. I know you are there for how long?
1 month.
A month. When are you going back to Japan? When are you going back?
November 6th.
November 6th. Oh, it's almost due. Okay. When you go back, say hi to your people in Japan. Tell them we welcome them so much in Kenya and we love them.
Yes.
Okay. So one word for our viewers today, this morning. You can tell them something.
1 month.
A few words. Let me limit you. Okay. You can speak to them.
In
okay.
Kenya?
Yeah.
Okay. The surprise thing is the difference is the food. Yeah. Because Kenya is famous or popular. We usually eat ugari.
Yes.
But in Japan, we don't never eat ugari.
Okay.
We eat rice, noodles. Yes, it's common.
Okay. So what have you been eating? You have been eating rice or noodles?
Yeah.
Oh, you tested ugari?
Yeah, I almost every day eat ugari.
Yeah. How did you find it? Is it sweet?
Yes, it's nice.
You will encourage people in Japan to eat ugali?
No.
No? Okay, even us we love rice, even noodles. Oh, we are getting used to it. Yeah, especially kids. They really love eating rice and the noodles. So next time when you come back to Kenya, bring a lot of noodles.
Yes, I did. So many.
Okay, thank you so much for coming today to speak to our viewers. I think they have learned something. I don't know if you have maybe anything else you can tell them.
I come back Kenya again, maybe?
Yes. You are very much welcome. Okay. Niona sana mwancho muligerera tobere togosanga asomoro bele wensa kia bono mambia tobere togosanga no mugeni wito ase studio yokorokwanga AOMI SAKURADA obere kagosanga into mangana ya mangana linge tobo chenu asensemeli ya magoko mwancho muli no gosemele kwananga kwabere go kwimanya amange korende tomera nelitkolia ankyo ase trave togosanga amange. You can say bye bye to our viewers.
Bye
bye. Bye. Okay, wacha muligeria tomera nelitkolia ankyo.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omugusii. Ayumurimi giata kurworo gonkorwo Gusii nikisemo chiyetanaine wono na nkakinde yonsi tarira eduka ya Enokem Agrovet Limited nikinsagia chaye bwenyorera mariogo yugusyarire bimeri mugondo amoyo chimbusuro endagira yetugo embego yetugo amariogo yugo itekenyambi mugondo chi supplement chetugo ebichuchu byogotuga na yandamange na obare imiyumu chobusongo ansamangacho Akenyoro Farmers Cooperative Plaza Angena Market Plaza Oro Sagironde Nigurule opposite Shell Petrol Station formerly Falcon Petrol Station Nabuigo Oro Sagironde Nigurule nsemo ya Jogo Angene skuru yobruso ya Jogo Primary Nabuigo Okoba Kirisimi Ilikoma Nyamange Enokem Agrovet Limited Growing healthier future one harvest at a time.
Ne no mwene bw'ekyanga kya mitumba kira ky'abaana amo n'abantu tabanere na nigo tagete kukinyorageka kyange bono Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells nigo